Short conversation in the market. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi there. How can I help you today? Hi. I'd like to buy some apples, please. Sure. We have red apples and green apples. Which kind do you want? I'll take a bag of red apples, please. Great choice. Would you like a small or a large bag? I'll get a large bag. How much are they? The large bag is $5. Okay, I'll take it. Perfect. Is there anything else you need? Yes, do you have any tomatoes? Yes, we have fresh tomatoes. Would you like a pound or two? Just 1 pound, please. All right, here you go. How much for the tomatoes? The tomatoes are $3 a pound. Okay, here's $8. Thank you. Here's your change. Have a great day. Thanks. You too.
Conversation 2 in the market. Hello. What can I get for you today? Hi. I'm looking for some carrots. We have some fresh carrots here. How many would you like? I need a bunch of carrots. Do you want the regular size or the baby carrots? I'll take the regular size. Okay, here's a bunch of regular carrots. Is there anything else? Yes, do you have any bread? Vinny, yes, we have white, whole wheat, and sourdough bread. Which one do you prefer? Kusi, I'll have a loaf of whole wheat bread. Sure thing. Is there anything else you need? No, that's all for today. All right. The total is $7.50. Here you go. Thanks. Here's your change. Have a good day. Thanks. You too. Conversation 3, in the market. Good morning. What can I get for you today? Good morning. I'd like some oranges, please. We have sweet navel oranges and juicy blood oranges. Which do you prefer? I'll take the navel oranges. Sure. How many would you like? I'll get 6 oranges. All right, here are 6 navel oranges. Do you need anything else? Yes, do you have any eggs? Yes, we have eggs. We have a dozen or half a dozen. Which one do you need? I'll take a dozen eggs. Great. Is that all for today? Yes, that's it. Your total is $8. Here's $10. Thank you. Here's your change. Have a nice day. Thanks. You too.